see a cupboard. I can see a can. I can see a plate. I can see a kettle. I can see a blender. I can see an oven. I can see a cup.
Okay, next.
In the garden, I can see a butterfly. I can see trees. I can see flowers. I can see children playing. I can see the sun. I can see a snail. I can see birds. I can see a bug.
Okay, di naman tayo.
In the living room, I can see a television. I can see a lamp. I can see a sofa. I can see a clock. I can see a bookshelf. I can see a picture frame. I can see a table. I can see a flower vase. I can see a books.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.